Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTR 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the notifications on this device. First, we need to open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Profile. Select our Amazfit GTR 2 from the list of devices. Here let's select Notifications and Reminders. And we have options like App Alerts, Incoming SMS, and Idle Alerts and Goal Notifications. First, let's tap on App Alerts. Here we need to tap on this warning, Can't Access Notifications. Let's tap on it. Tap OK. Allow the notification access for Zap app. So you need to tap this slider next to it and tap Allow. Then go back to the Zap app. And now we can enable the app alerts by tapping the slider. Here you can tap on Go to Settings or Got It. I'm gonna tap on Got It. And you can also enable Only Receive when the screen is off option, like this. Once you enable app alerts, you can tap on Manage Apps right here. And you will have the list of apps you want to get the notifications from. So if you select, for example, GeForce Now, Mi Fit, WhatsApp, and for example Brave, and go back, the apps will appear right here on this list and you will get the notifications from them on your watch. You can also go back to Manage Apps again and uncheck them to disable them, like this. Okay, let's go back to the Notifications and Reminders and tap on Incoming SMS. And here you can now enable or disable this option by tapping on the slider right here. You can also enable Idle Alerts. To do it, tap on the slider next to Idle Alerts, tap on Start Time to set the time period. Basically, you can set the start time right here by swiping up and down. Let's set it to 7 and tap OK. Then you can set the end time. And you can also enable Do Not Disturb if you want to by tapping the slider right here. Basically, if you set up the schedule for it, it's gonna be alerting you about the sitting for too long between the 7 and 10, as you can see. Okay, let's go back to the Notifications and Reminders, and last option is Goal Notifications, and you can enable it and disable it right here. And that's how you enable the notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.